Ever felt like you're standing at a financial crossroads, staring at a mountain of bills or an unexpected expense, and just wondering, where can I find a lifeline? A quick, reliable financial boost? You're not alone. We've all been there. Maybe it's a car repair that can't wait, a sudden medical bill, or even just needing to consolidate some debt to breathe easier. The question then becomes, who can you turn to? And more specifically, with so many online lenders popping up, how do you know who's trustworthy, transparent, and offers loan amounts that actually fit your needs? Today, we're diving deep into one such lender, Mogo. You've probably seen their ads, maybe even heard some buzz. But the real question is, what loan amounts does Mogo actually offer? And more importantly, are they the right fit for your financial situation? Let's set the stage. The world of online lending has exploded in recent years. It's become a go-to for many Canadians seeking quick access to funds. But with that convenience comes a lot of fine print, varying interest rates, and loan amounts that can range from a few $100s to tens of thousands. So, where does Mogo fit into this landscape? Before we jump into the specific loan amounts, it's crucial to understand what Mogo is all about. Mogo is a Canadian fintech company that focuses on providing digital financial solutions, including personal loans. They emphasize a user-friendly online experience, aiming to make borrowing more accessible and transparent. They also highlight financial education and tools, which is a big plus. But at the end of the day, the most pressing question for most people is, how much can I borrow? Mogo offers personal loans, and the loan amounts they provide can vary depending on several factors. These factors include your credit score, income, debt-to-income ratio, and overall financial profile. Mogo, like most lenders, uses a risk-based pricing model. This means that individuals with higher credit scores and stronger financial profiles are typically eligible for larger loan amounts and lower interest rates. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Generally, Mogo's personal loans can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands. However, it's essential to remember that the exact amount you qualify for will be determined through their application process. Now, let's break this down a bit further. If you're looking for a smaller loan, perhaps to cover an unexpected expense or consolidate a small amount of debt, Mogo can be a viable option. For these smaller loans, you might be looking at amounts in the $1,000 to $5,000 range. These types of loans are often used for things like minor home repairs, car repairs, or short-term financial needs. On the other hand, if you're looking for a larger loan, perhaps to consolidate a significant amount of debt or fund a larger project, Mogo can also accommodate those needs. For these larger loans, you might be looking at amounts in the $10,000 to $35,000 range, or sometimes even more. However, securing a loan in this range will typically require a strong credit profile and a stable income. It's important to note that Mogo's loan amounts are not set in stone. They are subject to change based on market conditions, internal lending policies, and your individual financial situation. Therefore, the best way to determine the exact loan amount you qualify for is to apply online through their website. Let's talk about the application process. Mogo emphasizes a streamlined online experience. You can typically apply for a loan in a matter of minutes. The application process will involve providing personal information, including your name, address, income, and employment details. Mogo will then conduct a credit check to assess your creditworthiness. Once your application is approved, you will typically receive a loan offer that outlines the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. It's crucial to review this offer carefully before accepting it. Pay close attention to the interest rate, as this will significantly impact the total cost of your loan. Also, consider the repayment terms and ensure that you can comfortably afford the monthly payments. Now, let's address some common questions. Many people wonder if Mogo offers loans for individuals with bad credit. While Mogo does consider individuals with a range of credit scores, having a higher credit score will generally increase your chances of approval and result in more favorable loan terms. However, individuals with lower credit scores may still be eligible for loans, although the loan amounts may be smaller and the interest rates may be higher. Another common question is whether Mogo offers secured or unsecured loans. Mogo primarily offers unsecured personal loans. This means that you are not required to provide collateral, such as your car or home, to secure the loan. However, this also means that the interest rates may be higher than secured loans. It's also important to consider the interest rates and fees associated with Mogo's loans. Like any lender, Mogo charges interest on its loans. The interest rates can vary depending on your credit score, loan amount, and repayment terms. It's crucial to compare the interest rates offered by Mogo with those of other lenders to ensure that you are getting a competitive rate. In addition to interest rates, Mogo may also charge fees, such as origination fees or late payment fees. Be sure to review the loan agreement carefully to understand all the fees associated with your loan. Now, let's talk about the importance of responsible borrowing. Before applying for any loan, it's crucial to assess your financial situation and determine how much you can afford to borrow. Consider your monthly income and expenses, and ensure that you can comfortably afford the monthly loan payments. It's also essential to have a plan for how you will use the loan proceeds. Avoid using the loan for frivolous expenses or unnecessary purchases. Instead, focus on using the loan for essential needs or to improve your financial situation. Remember, a loan is a financial obligation that must be repaid. Failure to repay your loan can have serious consequences, including damage to your credit score and legal action. Therefore, it's crucial to borrow responsibly and make your payments on time. In summary, Mogo offers personal loans with amounts that can range from a few $1,000s to tens of thousands, depending on your individual financial situation. The best way to determine the exact loan amount you qualify for is to apply online through their website. Remember to consider your credit score, income, and debt-to-income ratio when assessing your eligibility. And always read the fine print. Know the rates, fees, and repayment terms before you commit. It's also crucial to compare Mogo's loan offerings with those of other lenders to ensure that you are getting the best possible deal. Consider factors such as interest rates, fees, repayment terms, and customer service. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to apply for a loan from Mogo is a personal one. It's crucial to carefully consider your financial situation and needs before making any borrowing decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.